like to ask the indulgence of everyone that at least now there are only three of us remaining to give our speech, and mine is quite short. Because Popular said she should surpass 9 elections. Popular, 9 elections. I think you can have 3 more elections. Kaya ba yan? And Popular also said she has under 33 years of her life in the city council. Well, mine is only 22 years. I started as a job order, rapid control worker, under the city mayor's office with the position of Provolance officer, under then Mayor of Duterte, 2003. Then 2007 became a punong barangay of Barangay Taipei Pagdiwan. 2013 became a Liga President as I assumed the position when the former Vice Mayor Ulo Duterte became the Vice Mayor. And 2016 until now, your city councilors. All in all, 22 years. Well, as we reach the end of the 20th City Council and our term, we would like to impart some final thoughts and express our gratitude. Being the first district councilor for the past 9 years has been quite a journey. The morning sessions, committee hearings, meetings, passing legislation, this filled my days with purpose. The trust the Baweños gave me for a decade inspired me for a better, to know better, to serve better. With that, I'd like to express my gratitude to all my constituents. It has been an honor to serve our beloved city, Davao, to be an instrument in making the people's lives better through public service. The journey hasn't been easy, but the challenge of fulfilling our duties and then seeing the smiles and improved state of living of my constituents makes it rewarding. To those we have helped through legislation, as well as our college public services programs, thank you for allowing us to be a stepping stone into your future and make your lives better. Next, I'd like to thank my colleagues. Hindi ko na sa-isa yung mga pangalan. From the 18th, 19th, and the 20th City Council for the productive sessions and discussions. I am thankful for the lessons of wisdom you have imparted, and even with the light-hearted conversations and jokes. Those will always be in my heart and my mind. I may be, technically speaking, a seasoned new state, but working with you made me realize that there is still a lot more to learn. I am grateful for that. Thank you also for listening to my ideas and viewpoints, and for letting me impart wisdom into your minds and hearts as well. For the second page, I have about 20 pages. Finally, I'd like to thank my staff who have been on the backbone of my duties for their continued support and effort, not just to me, but also to my constituents. Daghang salamat sa inyo ang tanan. And of course, our SP Secretary, thank you, Ma'am Cha. At I'd like also to thank my family. My family, when I say family, gusto na. My wife and 3 children. Tindok nito lang, ilan kanila. Ang nakubain, yung tindok. Tindok na. Pero parang kita sila natin at guwapo-guwapo. Anak na daddy rin kay your dad is so proud of you. So mga anak. Thank you for keeping me grounded and for being my solace when things become too overwhelming. As we leave the 21st City Council to the novice and seasoned legislators, may you prioritize what is best for the people in the city of Davao. May you continue the legacy of your predecessors and make your own mark in public service. Davao City has a lot of amazing things to offer. May you utilize this to show people our beloved city and make them love it just as much as we do. May you not ignore the plight of the underprivileged and do everything in your power to lessen, if not completely remove, the economic and social injustice they are enduring. I look forward to seeing a new and better Davao City in your hands. Wala ko rin karoon kundi sa inyong suporta o pagsalig sa kuha, sa makausap, sa mga tagapagturuan, katawan sa Pagturuan, katawan sa First District, katawan sa Davao City, kay Congressman Pulong Duterte, Mayor Este, Pipi Itay Sara, Mayor Rudy, lagang kaayong salamat sa pamilyang Duterte. And of course, before I end this second page, because I still have another page, before I end, sama sa kong gingon sa pagsuot nako sa government service. Each and every one of us will look up to somebody, someone. If we, as we go along with our journey, naman yung mga taong hinungdan, mga hinungdan sa ato ang mga dalan na laktan. Ipod na ko mention ang ako ang mentor, nag-guide, kung idol, of course, ako ang amahan. Maoy hatag o dyan sa nakita kung saan ang pagpaderbisyo subay sa iyan na anak o kami ng mga anak pinakuha ang sunod maoy sumpanan namon sa mga pagpaderbisyo base sa pamatasan, sa ipakita pagpaderbisyo sa among mahal na si Edgar Cap Ibuyan. Sa mag-uusap, sa inyong tanan, sa tuwa, dagang salamat, kumayo, punto.